Okay, so now in this video, we're taking a look at evaluating problems with odd indexes. Okay, so a couple of things regarding the odd indexes. First of all, the inside is allowed to be negative. So this is allowed. And that's because a negative number raised to an odd exponent will result in a negative. So the cube root of negative 8 is actually the same thing as the cube root of negative 2 cubed. And the 3's cancel, so my answer is negative 2. So that's the other thing regarding odd indexes. Not only can the inside, the radicand, be negative, but my answer can also be negative. Similarly, fifth root of 32. So 32 is 2 to the fifth power. So the fifth root of 32 is just positive 2. The cube root of 16, well, the cube root of 16 is the same thing as the cube root of 8 times the cube root of 2. The cube root of 8 is the cube root of 2 cubed times the cube root of 2. So I'm left with 2 cube roots of 2. And last but not least, the cube root of 57 is the same thing as cube root of 27 times the cube root of 2. The cube root of 27 is 3 cubed. The cube root of 2 remains the same. So I'm left with 3 cube roots of 2. So obviously I know which numbers are cube roots, so I know what to divide by. I know which numbers are square roots, fifth roots. So a big part of this section is knowing which numbers are squares, perfect cubes, perfect values raised to the fourth power, etc.